10 most expensive fighter jets in the world. 1. Lockheed Martin F-35B and F-35C $117.30. 2. Eurofighter Typhoon €138 million. 3. Dassault Rafale $115 million. 4. Chengdu J-20 $100 million. 5. McDonnell Douglas F-15E Strike Eagle $87.7 million. 6. Sukhoi Su-35 $85 million. 7. Saab JAS 39 Gripen $85 million. 8. Lockheed Martin F-35A $77.9 million. 9. Boeing F/A-18E/F Super Hornet $67.4 million. 10. Lockheed Martin F-16 Block 70 $72.64 million. For more videos, like and subscribe.